Running exercise. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. He took one round of this field. How far did he run? The doctor has told to Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. Even we also jog or walk every day, morning or evening. So here Devi Prasad is asked to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. So he took one round of this field. So this is a field. What is the shape of the field? It's a square. Good. So how far did he run? Actually, jogging or walking, how do you do, children? Will you run or walk around the field or not? Will you run or walk inside the field? No, you will walk around the field. So, we are going to calculate how much distance did Devi Prasad run around this field. So you can start any corner. So now he's starting from this. That is how much distance now he covered? 500 meter. Then another 500 meter. Then one more 500 meter. Then the last 500 meter. So now that one round is finished. This one round is called boundary. This one round is called boundary, that is perimeter. Last year also you would have studied about the introduction of perimeter and area. So now Devi Prasad is asked to run around this field. So how much distance did he take to complete this one round? So let's calculate. 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500, because the square has four sides, all the sides are equal, so when we add the distance you are having totally 2000 meter. We know very well 1000 meter is 1 kilometer, so 2000 meter is 2 kilometer. So he took one round of this field. So how far did he run? 2 kilometers. So that's what Devi Prasad is asked by the doctor. Okay. The field was very far from his home, but this field was very far, too much distant from his home. Every day he cannot go to that field. So he chose a park nearby, because to go around this field he has to walk or he has to go long distance. So for that he chose a park nearby. This is a park. What is the shape of the park? Circle. The boundary of the park. Boundary means what, children? Around the given shape. Boundary is around the given shape. So the boundary of the park was about 400 meters long. This is called a boundary. Okay, boundary or perimeter. So the boundary of the park was 400 meters long. This is a circled park, circle shaped park, and the boundary of the park is 400 meter. The previous one square, we found the boundary, that is 2 kilometer, and here the boundary of the given park, that is the boundary of the circle shaped park, is 400 meter only. One round if you take, one round of the circle shaped park is 400 meter only. So how many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometer? Because Devi Prasad is asked to run 2 kilometer every day, but one round of this park, because boundary means one round, so one round of this park is just 400 meter, so he has to complete 2 kilometer, no children. So how many rounds will he take to complete 2 kilometer? So for one round is 400 meter. and the total distance he has to run 2 kilometer. Let's convert the meter into let's convert the kilometer into meter. We know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, so 2 kilometer is 2000 meter. And the boundary of this park, one round, boundary means one round, so the boundary of the park is 400 meter. So one round is 400 meter, and we have the total distance also, that is 2000 meter. So to complete 2000 meter, Devi Prasad must complete. We are dividing here. Why do we divide here? The total distance he has to run, it is 2000 meter, and the one round of this park 400 meter. We have the value of 1 and the total distance also. So to find the number of rounds, we divide. When we have the value of 1 and the total, to find the number of rounds, we divide. So 2000 divided by 400. When we divide, we are cancelling the zeros. See, 2000 divided by 400. Numerator 2 zeros, you cancel. Denominator 2 zeros. Then you will have 20 by 4. How do we simplify this? Numerator 2 zeros and denominator 2 zeros, if you cancel, you will have 20 by 4. Then when you divide, in 20 how many times? 4? 5 times. This is short division method. And the 2000 divided by 400, you can divide by using fraction. This is called fraction type. Division can be written in the fractional form also. So how many rounds did the Devi Prasad take to complete the 2 kilometer? 5 rounds. So Devi Prasad has to complete 5 rounds of the park. One day the weather was very good and a cool breeze was blowing. He felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired after 8 rounds. So every day the Devi Prasad is going to the park, circle shaped park, and one day the weather was very good and very cool breeze, a cool breeze was blowing. So he felt so good that he kept jogging. He was keep on jogging, and till he get tired. Until he get tired, he was jogging. That is how many rounds he could complete. 8 rounds he could complete. So that day he ran one round 400 meter. So 8 round mean what do you do, children? So distance covered to complete one round of the park 400 meter. So the distance covered by Devi Prasad to complete 8 rounds of the park, we multiply 400 meter divided by 8, because one round is 400 meters. For 8 rounds mean we multiply, and we are having 3200 meter. And but here they asked in kilometer and meter. It's very simple. If you have the solution in meter, to give kilometer and meter, last three digits you take it as meter. So last 3 digits mean 200. 200 will be meter, and the remaining digits, that will be kilometer. So 3 kilometer 200 meter. So on that day, he ran 3 kilometer 200 meters.